In continuation with the last two videos and challenging case 89, in which this 27 years old male patient presented and he is now telling us that he is having decrease of vision in the left eye, superior half of the left eye visual field. Vision is 636 in the left eye, IOP 14 millimeter of mercury. Now what comes to your mind? Well, I can think of inferior retinal detachment, inferior branch retinal vein occlusion, anterior ischemic optic neuropathy, and disc drusions. All these present with the altitudinal defects. Now, I showed this patient fundus in challenging case 89, and almost every viewer correctly diagnosed it as a case of branch retinal vein occlusion in a young male patient. Now, usually vein occlusion occurs in old age with systemic diseases like hypertension, diabetes, hyperlipidemia, hyperthyroidism. Mechanism that why vein occlusion occurs is already described in detail in the previous video. Now, routine tests CBC, ESR, random blood sugar, lipid profile, urea, creat, electrolytes, TFTs and ECGs were done and all were normal. BP was also normal. So these are usually performed in an old age BRVO patient, but in a young patient, C-reactive protein tells us which is a more sensitive marker of inflammation, chest X-ray for sarcoidosis, tuberculosis, plasma, homocysteine levels, lupus anticoagulant, anticardiolipine antibodies, protein SC, autoantibodies like rheumatoid factor, ANA, ANCA, anti-DNA are performed. Now let's see if any of these special tests comes positive or not. Dehydration in summer is also an important cause that you should keep in mind. I have seen more cases in holy month of Ramadan with people's fasting. Now look at the fundus view. Dilated tortuous veins, dot blot and flame-shaped hemorrhages in the specific quadrant, macular edema, cotton wool spots and disc veining. BRVO can be macular or peripheral. Most common is superiotemporal macular followed by this one, inferiotemporal macular, because the image is inverted, so you are seeing the inferior view superiorly. Vision is affected in macular branch retinal vein occlusion. Other peripheral BRVO is detected by chance with good vision. Now these acute features resolve within 6 to 12 months, leaving venous sheathing and sclerosis. Sometimes collaterals are formed as tortuous or looping vessels crossing horizontal maculopathy. Collaterals are better prognostic signs. And now why vision decrease in BRVO? Well, due to macular edema and ischemia. If ischemia is more than 5 disc diameter on fundus angiography, new vessels form within a year. NVEs are more common than NVDs, and they can bleed and cause recurrent vitreous hemorrhages. So monthly anti-VEGF injection is now the treatment of choice for significant macular edema causing decrease of vision less than 6/9. Other treatment options are focal micropulse laser, Oziodex implant, intravitreal triamcinolone acetonide. For NVEs, sectoral PRP is done. So that was all about this branch retinal vein occlusion patient. Thank you very much.